What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. We need to talk about XRP in this video because we haven't mentioned XRP maybe in a couple of days. And we've seen people within this last day, as you know, Jasmine Coin is getting a lot of hype and a lot of attention. We've seen people mention to everyone on the live stream, hey, I'm thinking about selling my XRP and buying, Jasmine Coin, because Jasmine Coin looks amazing right now, and the movement and the volume and all of that stuff looks absolutely fantastic within that play. Now, I'm not going to tell you you guys need to do anything with your money. I'm not going to tell you that you are the one that needs to sell this and buy that, or don't sell it, right? I'm not going to tell you any of that. But what I will do is give you information as to why this is still a great place for XRP, even though it may seem like it's not really moving, not really making sense to hold the position. You got to understand the dynamic of, investing as well as the cryptocurrency market and what XRP will be. So I want to kind of break this down within this video. Make sure you guys take some time to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel for Patreon, for my Twitter account. Feel free to check those things out. Don't forget to get yourself a t-shirt if you want to check out XRP shirt. I have a bunch of different shirts over there, but I'll have the XRP shirts linked to the video. So if you want to get one yourself, feel free to get one. Also, if you want to start trading XRP, you can do it via Margex, which is honestly a really good platform. I've been using it for a long time. People love this platform because you can leverage trade a small amount at a 5x leverage or 100x leverage, or leverage trade a large amount at a small x leverage and be able to profit in the end and gain a lot more. However, there are large risks to leverage trading. If you can't find the absolute bottom or the absolute top, and it goes against you, you could get liquidated very fast. So make sure that you understand trading before you dive into that. I have a class, or not really a class, but more of like videos on my Patreon to break down some of the basics of leverage trading. And if you need more, we can always go into more detail in different videos. But let's talk about XRP in this one, because currently XRP is standing at 54 cents. It's at 54.2 cents, and it's down about 3%. We're also seeing that the market cap is standing at a $29.5 billion market cap, and the volume is looking at about $1.35 billion. So it's still seeing a lot of volume. It is down in the last 24 hours in volume, where instead of being at maybe closer to $2 billion worth of volume, we're looking at 1.3 billion, which is still a lot of freaking volume. When you look at Jasmine Coin and the movement that has happened there, that's $1.2 billion worth of volume, which is, insane for that, because it's sitting at, a 700 or 800 million dollar market cap. And it is actually growing right now. But a lot of people make this mistake all the time, and I want to call this out. When they see something that's struggling, right, that's struggling to kind of grasp for air, they move on to the next thing. Think of it like this. If somebody's drowning over here and they're struggling to stay afloat, you're not going to go and save this person that already knows how to swim, right? You're going to try and save this person here, right? Now, I'm not saying what you're doing is saving a project, but what you're doing is you're the one that's drowning, and you're going over there to now be drowning over here, right? And make yourself further drowning, right? You're going over here to the next person that maybe can't swim or something. So the point is that I'm making, and maybe this is not a good analogy, but the point is that I'm saying that you're looking to sell a position that's at the bottom, to buy something that's at the top. You know what that is? That's called chasing a stock, chasing a position, chasing an investment, right? That's what that's all about. And you don't want to be a part of that. You never want to be a part of chasing a project that is up 30, 40, 50, 60%. If you are constantly chasing projects, you will constantly lose. The most money that's made, and I said this in the live stream, most people are making money at the bottom of the market, which doesn't make sense to anybody. They're like, well, you're not making money at the bottom of the market. You're making money at the top of the market. No. Money is not made at the top of the market, because if you invest at the top of the market, most likely you're going to lose money on the way down. Now, if you short at the top of the market, yeah, money can be made at that level, but most people are buying. So if they're going long on all these positions, most money is made at the bottom of the market. So while XRP looks like it's still struggling around the 50-cent level, even though we saw it go up to 90 cents, we saw it go up to 75 cents multiple times, it doesn't mean that it will struggle forever. XRP is gearing up for something really, really big, but it needs that clarity. And I think that's where people really struggle with this play, is they don't have that clarity. And as they see other things where people are gaining money from, they want to join that thing. But you can't just go and join it when it's already up a decent amount. I made money from Jasmy Coin and currently making money from Jasmy Coin, but I'm not taking all of my XRP and throwing it in Jasmy Coin. That would make no sense for me to do that. It would make no sense for me to throw anything else into Jasmy Coin. I'm sitting on the gains that I do have because I invested at these levels that was at the bottom. The same thing goes for XRP. It's at the bottom here. It's at a low level. So investing here wouldn't be a bad move. Keeping money here wouldn't be a bad move at these cost bases, right? My cost basis is still higher than where we are right now because, of previous investments and where I invested majority of my money into XRP, because I believe in the future of where that can go, not just 60 cents. I believe in it to $1.60 and $2.60 and $60, right? I believe in it to those levels. And that's why I'm so strong on XRP overall. Now, again, this is sitting at a value of a $29 billion market cap. This can go so much further. It's seeing $1.3 billion worth of volume. And if you look at how much I am holding, I didn't decide to take any of my XRP and sell any of my XRP. I'm still sitting on 21,000. And probably by the time this month ends, or maybe the next month, I'll have 22,000. I'm not purchasing anymore. I'm just gathering more from over on Margex as I'm trading and leveraging my XRP. I'm gathering more XRP that I'm sending over to Coinbase, and that's how I went from 20,000 to 21,000, and I'll go from 21,000 to 22,000 probably very shortly, as long as the market does kind of recover from what has happened today, kind of decreased a little bit. So you could see the Jasmy Coin, I have a lot that's in there. I didn't invest all of that. You can see I'm up $11,000 on that play, but I still hold all of my XRP. I still hold all of my Krill. I still hold all of my Harvest Finance. The point is that you invest at the bottom of the market, you make money at the bottom of the market, because you make money when you buy at the right time, and then you solidify that gain when you sell at certain levels, right? So there are two floors to this. You buy, you sell. Right? You make money in both places, but majority of people that are buying are making money at the bottom of the market. So I don't know what you guys think about that. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. If you guys want to pick yourself up a XRP t-shirt, feel free to pick that up in the store below. I'll also pin the merch to the video so you guys can check it out for yourself. Also, if you want to check out Margex and start maybe gathering a little bit more XRP by trading a small amount of XRP and utilizing someone else's money to make yourself more XRP, feel free to check that out. That link is in the description as well. Also, don't forget about the HG Algo algorithm, the indicator, which does let you know about bullish momentum, dollar cost averaging into certain plays. If you're looking to dollar cost average into something, XRP has been consistently moving up, and you can see that it currently still is within this bullish momentum trend. And you see the levels to where you can dollar cost average at certain places. So feel free to check that out. Again, link to that is in the description. But I'm gonna get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.